guys, how you doing? Let's make some breakfast. It involves a whole lot of eggs and sausages and some good stuff. So let's get down to it. First, in a pan, add some oil and let that heat up really well. And then in with your sausages, your diced sausages. Here's a tip: if you wanna dice your sausages really easily and without it being messy, leave them to be a bit frozen. Yeah, and that will make it so easy to dice through them. Cook these until they're golden brown on both sides. So you're gonna wanna turn some of them. Once that's done, remove them from the pan. Once you're done, in with your diced onions and the bell peppers. I used red, green, and yellow. So saute those for about a minute. You don't want to overcook them because we still need that crunch. Next, add a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of paprika, and some black pepper. Combine that really well. Then add in your cooked sausages. And grab a bowl and whisk 3 eggs. Here's another tip: if you want to easily whisk your egg, just use a fork. Don't be like me, okay? And then add in your eggs and top with a bit of salt. Combine this really carefully and slowly because you don't want to overcook your eggs. Neither do you want them to stick on the pan, okay? After they're cooked just enough, add some barbecue sauce, about 2 tablespoons. I didn't have enough, so I just put about a tablespoon. Mix that in there, and then add your spring onions. Combine that, and at this point you're pretty much done. I served mine with some toasted bread. You can serve with sautéed potatoes, whichever way you like to enjoy it. You can even have it as it is. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I have a new video up. Enjoy!